Hello friends, Bogdan is with you. Today I will tell you what is an inducement and how to use it correctly on the chart. What is it for? Because a lot of people do not determine correctly and, accordingly, get stop losses. This is the most important element of my Nightstar trading strategy, which I constantly use because everything is built on it. We see such an example on the chart on the screen. What is actually drawn here? The formation of the correct rollback, the first rollback, that is the inducement. Inducement is the first swing in the internal structure. We see that the price rises here and removes this rollback. This is an inducement. Its removal means confirmation of this maximum in the descending structure. Most people, almost all retail traders, when the maximum swing is broken, think that the structure is broken and they will buy here. But this is wrong, because here there is a removal of the inducement. And after that it continues to fall down, renews the minimum and confirms the maximum here. It can also remove the main inducement, because in fact, this is a secondary rollback. It is within this structure, and this is an internal movement. Here is the main inducement. That is, this is the main item, the main liquidity in this impulse. The price can also remove it. After that, touch some order block and continue to fall down, renewing the confirmed minimum and confirming the new maximum in this place. The essence of inducement is to involve people and open positions in the wrong direction, because this is a trap. Of course, IDM still has a lot of roles, for example, in the field of structure. But one of the main ones is just an inducement. Sleep involves people in buying. Here people open such long positions with stop losses for this minimum in this place. Then there is probably some kind of imbalance test. SMT reaction, because the price reacts, involves people. People must believe in this movement, that it will go up, that the price starts some kind of reversal, and after that, the price begins to cut everything, just removing the liquidity that is accumulated here. This is the simplest model of my trading strategy. Nightstar is the main one here. Everything is built on it. All subsequent models, all new models will be based on it. In fact, we must open positions in the right direction, that is, in the sale. As a rule, after the inducement, there is the first block, from which we can open a position in the sale, with a stop loss for it, and take profit on the update of this minimum, and the confirmation of this high after. After the price hits the minimum, it will make a boss, break the structure, and continue the downward trend. In general, in my trading strategy, the classic RR is 1 to 5. That is something like this. But 1 to 2, 1 to 3, you can close almost with a 100% win rate, because the removal of the inducement is literally the essence of the market. The price is just like that. It always removes it and forms a movement. Removes here, continues to fall down. It can also remove the high. You ask, where will the structure break? How will we understand that the price will turn in the upward direction? By breaking the main point of oscillation. When the price removes the inducement, it does not just remove it. It confirms it after removing the new point of oscillation. That is the maximum and minimum. After removing the inducement in the downward trend, the first minimum is always confirmed. After its update, the maximum is confirmed. After the price removes the new inducement, it confirms the minimum. It can, for example, break the block. It does not always move in the same trend, in the same direction. It breaks it and goes up, making a slight change in the nature of the trend. And after that, we are already developing in the upward direction. The price also removes the inducement, confirms the maximum. It makes, for example, 2 bites for sale. That is, 2 impulses. It touches the order block and continues to grow in the upward direction. This structure is the most effective. It showed incredible results because the market literally goes like this. Why use classic swings, which are not confirmed at all? They are determined at random. When the price removes this swing, people think that this is a break. After the price is already gone, they post factum say that it was a fake break. That is, a false break. And because of this, they are very confused. They confuse their students, followers, and so on. Let's look at the real chart. We see that the maximum is confirmed here, because the price goes down and removes this inducement. It removes it. After that, it goes to this maximum. It is updated and confirms the minimum in this place. Next, we have to find a new maximum. In fact, it is not confirmed here, but here. Because it was here that the movement took this inducement. And here is our trade range. That is, from this minimum to this maximum. All that is inside is all liquidity, and weak swings that do not carry any support at all. They are absolutely not important to us. That is, we should not pay attention to them. After that, the price removes this high, makes a post, and confirms the minimum here. Next, we see confirmation of a new maximum. Here. In this place. Because it was here that the movement took this inducement. Here we did not see the removal of any rollbacks. Here we also did not see the removal of the first rollback. Therefore, the maximum is not confirmed here. The high is here. It removes the inducement. We have a very good shelf of liquidity here. With us partially captured, touched here this stream of orders, from which later came up and made a post, and confirmed here a new minimum. And see how many false movements were here. False withdrawals for ordinary retail traders. Traders who are trying to trade smart money from the well-known ICT. That is, here was a break. Here. 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 Here is also a confirmation for sale. The same here. People tried to sell everywhere. Here is an attempt. Here is an attempt to sell this imbalance, to go to short. Here is also an attempt to go from this zone. After the break. But all this is invalidated by the price. And it just continues to move further up, removing a huge number of stop losses. People who come here for sale. Thank you all for watching. Like, write comments, promote this video. Good luck to everyone and bye.